To set up the payment method on iPhone 16e, first of all, we need to open Settings, then go to your Apple account, tap on your name, and then go to Payment and Shipping. Just wait a couple of seconds. Of course, you will need to enter the Apple account password to proceed. And after that, you should be able to fill in the payment details. So for example, we can choose the payment method to use Apple Pay, credit or debit card, or any other method that is available in your region. You can also enter the number of your credit or debit card as an example. You can also tap on this camera icon in order to open the camera, and then you can position your card in the frame in order to scan it. You can also choose, well, you should actually choose the expiration date, CVV code, the security code, and that's pretty much it. Then you can press done over here in the top right corner in order to finalize this process. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!